Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Sonja. Today I've got 3 delicious and super easy meal ideas that are perfect for busy nights. We're making a creamy and comforting Instant Pot cream of broccoli soup, a flavorful quick chicken stir fry, and an easy beef dip sandwich with homemade baguettes that come together in no time. These recipes are simple, packed with flavor, and perfect for the whole family. So let's get cooking. Today I'm starting with the cream of broccoli soup. For this recipe, you will need chicken broth or vegetable broth, butter, flour, carrots, broccoli. I'm using frozen, but fresh works too, onion, garlic, cream, and seasoning. I will include a full recipe with exact measurements in the link, and it will be linked in the description box. Start by melting the butter in your Instant Pot and sauteing the onions and garlics until fragrant. Add flour to make a roux, stirring constantly. Gradually pour in the broth, adding in 2 portions while continuously stirring to avoid lumps. Stir in the cream and mix well. Season the soup, then add the broccoli and chopped carrots. Set the Instant Pot to cook for 8 minutes. While the soup is cooking, shred cheddar cheese. I always prefer shredding my own instead of buying pre-shredded, which is often coated with anti-caking agents. Once the Instant Pot is done, blend the soup with an immersion blender to your desired consistency. I make mine smooth for my daycare kids, but you can leave it chunky if you prefer. Stir in the cheddar cheese, Mix until melted and serve with the crusty bread. You can even sprinkle bacon bits on top for extra flavor. Next up is a quick chicken stir fry. This meal is super easy and packed with flavor. For this you will need chicken, garlic, and ginger, oil, and I'm using frozen Asian style vegetables that I get at Costco. For the stir fry sauce you will need sesame oil, cornstarch, ginger, and garlic, honey, soy sauce, and chicken broth, and you can also add a little bit of heat by adding some red pepper flakes. In a pan, heat oil and cook the chicken with garlic and ginger until fully cooked. Remove from the pan and set aside. While the chicken is cooking, mix the stir-fry sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together sesame oil, cornstarch, ginger, garlic, honey, soy sauce, and chicken broth. Add the frozen vegetables to the same pan that you cooked the chicken and cook until they are softened but still tender. Return the chicken to the pan and pour in the sauce, stirring well to coat everything evenly. Let the sauce thicken for a minute or two. Serve as is or pair it with rice or noodles for a complete meal. The last recipe that I'm sharing is beef dip with homemade baguettes. For this meal, I'm making a tender beef roast in a crock pot and serving it on a fresh homemade baguette. I like to make fresh baguette, so I am including the recipe down here as well. If you just want this meal to be even easier, store-bought baguettes will be just fine. So first, I want to prep my beef roast. I seasoned the beef roast with salt and pepper on one side. I seared the roast in a hot pan, flipping and seasoning the other sides as well. I'm transferring it to a crock pot that's been brushed with oil, and I peel and slice my onions. I add the sliced onions, garlic, and seasoning, including the bay leaves, into the crock pot. And I cook it on low for 7 to 7.5 hours. About 2 hours before dinner, for the baguette, I mix together warm water, yeast, flour, oil, and salt. I knead it in a mixer for 5 to 10 minutes until smooth. I divide the dough. Mine, I doubled the batch, so I'm making 4 baguettes. I shape the dough into baguettes, lightly oil the pans, dust them with flour, and place the shaped dough in the pans. I slice the tops with sharp knife and bake with a pan of water in the oven to create steam, giving the bread a crispy crust. Once the beef is done, slice it thinly and serve it on a fresh baguette. Melt provolone cheese or any cheese that you have on the bread before adding the beef. Serve with a side of a jus from the slow cooker for dipping. You can also pair it with Caesar salad, homemade fries, or just enjoy it as is. And that's it. 3 quick and delicious meals perfect for busy nights. Let me know in the comments which one you're excited to try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Thanks for watching Cooking with Sonja, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking!